Hi everyone, good afternoon. Today we're just gonna have feedback about the essays that you have submitted. Just hold on one second. Uh, Someone else presented. Yeah. So so one by one we'll have a look at the essays that you have submitted. Those who have not submitted, please do submit today because this report goes to the placement department and they calculate your scores for this and decide on your placement. Okay, so ECA 1, only 7 have submitted. So the rest of you in A1 need to submit. Please do it by this evening. In the next couple of classes also we'll have the same session. That is, we'll have individual feedback on your essays and I'll grade your essays on the spot. Okay, fine. We'll start one by one. Aparna, are you there? Okay. Just hold on, I'll open your essay and give you feedback. What is this you have submitted? Where is the essay? Oh, below, huh? But there's something wrong with the formatting. It's not proper. See, there are no spaces in between. Can you resubmit? Just delete it in Moodle and resubmit with a new version. And one thing is, please don't put any subheadings like conclusion and all that. Okay, these kind of subheadings are not required. Um, Plus, make sure that you write your own essay. I do not want you to copy anything from the internet because this session is only for giving you feedback on your personal, uh, you know, language that you have written in an essay. So please do not copy anything from the internet. Write everything on your own. All right. Yeah. So in the next session, I will correct your essay. Okay. Next, Jashwant, are you there? Jashwant, not there. Okay. Alam Yashwant, are you there? Not there. Okay. Annapurni, are you there? Where is it? Okay, so yeah, okay. Alam, can you hear me? Okay, fine. I'll open your essay and give you feedback. I hope you guys can see my screen, right? Okay. Social network effect, SNS. Have you taken this from the internet? It looks like you have copied from the internet. Yes or no? Yeah. Can you hear me? Yeah, so there's no point in correcting an essay which is copied from the internet. Please do not have these kind of headings. Subheadings are not required. Please write the essay on your own and then upload it. And I don't need such a long essay. It needs to be only 300 words. Okay. So please resubmit and we'll have a review in the next class. Okay. Yeah. Next, Annapurni, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is this written by you fully?
Sir,
Is this is this fully written by you or you copied? Did you copy this from the internet? Is what I'm asking. You can easily find out if it is a personalized essay written by you or not, because see, this kind of language is only written by journalists or people who write blogs. So, please don't copy stuff from the internet. Anyways, see, this kind of subheadings are not required. What you guys need to do is you guys use WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, and everything, right? So, personally, what do you use these websites for? See, some of you may share your college materials via WhatsApp. You share videos, you share photos. It may be for fun, it may be for educational purpose or any other thing. But those are the things that you use these websites for. So please write on your own. Okay. Yeah. Can you write on your own and resubmit?
okay, sir.
Right. We'll see in the next class. Next, Aparna S. Are you there? This again looks copied. How many words is this? That's too much. You need to cut it down to 300 words. Okay, because that software won't allow you to write more than 300 words. When you start a paragraph, please give some space and then start. Use the tab key. Okay. Suddenly there is a educational field is there's no need for a capital E over there. Suddenly for doctors you have put a capital D. Why? Doctor is a common noun. You need not put a capital D for that. Okay, and cut these headings. You should not have any headings for anything in the essay. I think maybe a few points you would have taken from the internet, but otherwise it looks like you have written. Have you written a few of these sentences on your own? Okay. Otherwise, the essay seems pretty good, except if you would have written everything on your own, it would have been nice. But then cut out the subheadings and just be careful about giving some space. Be careful about in the beginning of the paragraph, give some space and then start, and then be careful about capitals. Okay. Otherwise, the essay seems pretty good, so I can probably give about 8 out of 10 for that. Okay. Next is Archana there.
Yes, sir.
The same essay I saw from another girl. So please rewrite on your own and submit it in Moodle. Okay. I don't want to correct this. Next, Aisha, are you there? Is Aisha there? Okay, okay. Error. I'm not able to open your file. just re-upload. Okay, so ECA1 students, please write the essay on your own and upload it today before end of day. Okay, it will only take about half an hour for you to write, so please put in some effort on your own so I can personally tell you what mistakes you have made. Only then you will be able to learn on how to correct yourself. Okay, in A2 also, as you can see, only 13 people have submitted, so the rest of them please submit immediately before end of day today. Okay, Naveen Kumar Reddy, are you there? What is this Boyd 2008? Copied. When you copy also, you should know how to copy, right? Huh? Can I believe Twitter was launched by Jack Dorsey? All this stuff, like, this was created, MySpace created by D Wolf. All this stuff, why are you copying, man? Huh? This kind of facts, will anybody give? A normal person who is writing an essay, anybody who is correcting your essay can find out that you've copied. Huh? See, this kind of stuff is mentioned only in research articles. Huh? Correct? Huh? So please rewrite. And you have written you have copied, sorry, 660 words. Why, man? For a 300 word essay, you have copied 660 words. Huh? Write on your own and submit today. Shriya, Sai Revati, are you there? You have written it. I told you to type it. Don't put headings like this. Okay? Yeah. Educational field need not have capital E. Should not have. Is this written by you fully? Mhm. But if you frame the sentences on your own, then fine, the essay seems pretty good. So you can give personal examples how you use WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, and all these social media sites, and how it is advantageous to you on a personal basis. Okay, if you would have done that, it would have been better. So I can give you about 8 out of 10 for this. All right. Okay. Venkata Subba Reddy, are you there? Capital ma, first word itself is not capitalized. Beginning of a sentence, you have to capitalize. In between two sentences, when there is a full stop, please give a space after that. Okay, because in the software, what happens is if you do not give a space after a comma or a full stop, those two words are counted as one word, which will mess up your word count. And there are 341 words which is not required. Suddenly social media has a capital S, not necessary. Here also social media has capitals. So social media is a common noun, so you need not capitalize. Otherwise, all these sentences are written by you, or copied. Okay. Otherwise, except for the points that I told you, the essay seems pretty good. Okay. So I can probably give you about 9 on 10 for that. Rakesh, are you there? This also looks copied. Ellison 2007. Who will write all this, man? Copied from the net. Did you copy this from the internet? Searched in internet, copied and pasted. Please rewrite. Okay. This kind of Ellison 2007 and all, nobody will write. Please resubmit today. Write the entire thing on your own so I can give you personal feedback. Okay. Right. Bomana Hindu. Are you there? Hindu.
Yes, sir.
Uh, Is written by you totally, is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, in between words, you need to put space. See over here, you have not put a space over here in can. When you start the next sentence, put a space, capitalize the it.
Okay, sir.
You see, you have not done it only in one place. It is done here also. See. So be careful about that.
Okay, sir.
These days, now you have written these days parents are not spending because they were busily engaged. Now, here you have used present tense, here you have used past tense. So both of them need to be present tense only. Okay, so you have to change this to are. Here also you need to change it to are, depending on the situation. Okay. Um Please don't use, like I said in the last class, this kind of full caps is absolutely wrong. Okay, do not capitalize an entire word. Similarly, disadvantage also. Okay, write a sentence. Advantages of social networking sites are instant news and information, great marketing channel, etc. Disadvantages are addiction and so on and so forth. Okay.
Okay,
Otherwise, the essay seems good, except you have written only 247 words. This conclusion of one sentence is not correct. You need to write a paragraph. Okay?
sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Otherwise, the essay seems pretty okay. So I can give about 8 on 10 for that.
Sir, for Rakesh, we are giving
Sorry, sorry, sorry. Okay. Happy?
thank you, sir.
Oh. Next. Ajit Kumar Reddy. Are you there? Social media is beneficial, not beneficiary. Beneficiary is a person who receives some stuff. Okay, that is different. You have to change it to beneficial. Um, Only thing is, the essay is too long, 345 words. Not necessary to write that much. You need to cut it down to 300 words. Otherwise, the essay seems pretty good. Okay, I can give 9 out of 10. Next, Vasu, Dasari Vasu, are you there? Okay. In between two words, please put a space after full stop. Okay. Here also, after comma, you have to put space. You have done in many places like that. See, here also, here also, here also. So be careful. Any comma or full stop, you need to put a space. And what is this peoples? There is no word called peoples. It's only people. Okay. Singular is man or woman. Plural is people. This paragraph looks like you have copied. Who is this? This also taken from net. Hmm. So don't write stuff that is unbelievable. Just write a normal essay. Okay. Yeah. Whatever you use simple sentences. Whatever you think, whatever your language is, please use only that. Otherwise, the essay seems pretty good. I can give about 80 on that. Next, Dasari Chakradhar. Are you there? No. Clement. Okay. Is this fully written by you? Huh? Better need not be capital. Leave, put a space after full stops. Again, better to avoid strangers. This kind of capitalization is wrong. Avoiding use of pictures. You want to highlight this, but please don't write it like this. You, our account private and all that. See, this is unnecessary capitalization. Please don't do that. And your word count is 469. It's pretty too long an essay. You need not write so much. You have to limit it to 300. Okay, otherwise the essay is pretty decent. All right. Next, Diana, are you there? Why written ma? You need to capitalize YouTube, WhatsApp, Twitter. All these things are names of websites, so you have to capitalize. What is this? Short form, NW. Don't use short forms. How many words is this essay? Approximately? Don't know. Anyway, seems very long. Not necessary to write so much. Okay, otherwise the essay seems fine. No worries. Can give 80. Hmm. Next, Aishwarya, are you there? Okay. What is this, man? MS Dhoni. I asked you to write an essay. Yeah, I know that, but that is not the topic that I gave. The topic I gave was impact of social networking sites. So you need to write on that and upload. Okay. Yeah. So please write everything on your own. Don't copy anything from the internet. Right. Jai Surya, are you there? Is Jai Surya there? No. Does anyone else need grading? You have already submitted and you need grading. Jai Surya is there, but I can't hear him. He says yes, sir, in the chat box. Jai Surya can't hear me. I mean, you can't speak. Huh? Yeah, okay. I'll just open your essay and give you feedback. This looks like it's copied, no? From the net. 430 words. You wrote everything on your own, huh? Okay. Otherwise, you have written on your own, is it? Otherwise, you have written on your own, is it? Okay. Okay, everything else seems pretty good. Only thing you need to do is cut down your number of words to 300. This is too much. 430 words is not enough. Not required. Okay. It's too much. Okay. Otherwise, seems pretty good. Fine. Okay. Does anyone else need grading? Okay. So EC A1 and A2 students, again, I'm repeating for all of you who just joined. If you have not submitted your essay, please do it by this evening. In the next two sessions also, we will have individual feedback of the essays only. There is not going to be any other class. You need to know what personal mistakes you're doing so you can improve on that. Okay, so please do not copy anything from the internet. Write on your own language, and upload it by end of day. So next class we can have a look again. Okay. Um, okay, so I'll just take your attendance and we'll wind up with the session for today. Just hold on. So when your turn comes, just switch on your mic. I'm calling you according to your roll number order only, and then you can mute your mic. Okay. Aparna,
Yes, sir.
Bhargav, Jashwant, Abdul, Abdul Samad, Harsha, Akshaya, Akshaya Priya. யார்ப்பா அது?
6004, sir.
அப்துல்லா? Who is that 004? Who is that man? I don't know. I can't hear you. Akshaya Priya, Yashwant, Alam Yashwant, Venkat Kalyan, Veera Venkat Kalyan, Dinesh. Okay, Dinesh Kumar Reddy, Anilesh,
Present, sir.
Annapurni,
Second, sir.
Bala Kishore, Anumala, Bala Kishore. Okay. Anushar,
Second, sir.
Aparna,
Present, sir.
Arvind. S. Arvind. R. Arvind. Arvind, you are number 19 or 20? Arvind, are you roll number 19 or 20? Let's see. Okay, Archana, Harish Kumar, Arogya Victor, Arun Kumar, P. Number 24. Number 25, 26, 27, Arun Raja, Ashwin R. Kalyan, please mute your microphone. Ashwin R. Ashwini D. Ashwini V. Venkat Ramana Reddy, Aisha, Balaji, Balamurgan, Naveen Kumar, Sai Revati, Praveen Kumar Reddy, Venkat Subba Reddy, Manoj, Shravanti, Hindu, Rakesh, Yogeshwar Reddy, Ganesh. If you have finished saying your attendance, please mute your mic. Ganesh, Satvik, Yogeshwar Rao, Manoj Reddy, Ajit Kumar Reddy, Aishwarya, Sainath Reddy, Jaisurya, Naga Raja, Amruta, Chakradhar, Dasari Chakradhar, Vasu, Clement, Davananda, Diana, Soundarajan, Deepan, Jnaneshwar, Dharni. Okay, yeah. Number ma 60. Okay, okay. Anyone else? Okay, okay. 66 marked. Anyone else? 20. Okay. Anyone else? Anyone else? Okay. So that's all for today. Again, I'm saying please upload your essays by this evening. All right. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.